Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Jura X9 Impreza espresso machine, and let's go ahead and press the cappuccino button. I didn't want to put milk in it because I just cleaned it, but I want to show that it's sucking water well. And there it makes the shot. And then we're going to test it in the middle. Hit the espresso button. A shot of espresso, and finally we'll just test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.